Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warrantywise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151. Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Ford Focus Titanium for a little test drive. Put your foot down on the clutch and press the engine start-stop button to fire these ones up. Slip it into first and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely, the clutch and gearbox feel good. Get it through all 6 gears. Suspension's gliding over the bumps on this country road. The brakes feel good. Steering feels great, so the car is driving spot on as it should. It is a superb car to drive, it handles really well. It's got good acceleration, good braking, a real driver's car. It's very comfortable, very spacious, practical. And the Titanium model's got great specification. This one's got the appearance pack, so you probably noticed earlier in the video that you've got the upgraded alloy wheels and dark tinted rear glass, which really sets the look of the car off nicely. Inside you've got a large 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system with sat-nav. On there you've also got DAB radio, as well as FM and AM and CD player. Auxiliary input, 2 USB ports, Bluetooth for your mobile phone, hands-free, and audio streaming, so loads of different ways to connect your devices. The car's got plenty of power to get up this steep hill. Also got dual zone climate control here, so the passenger can have a different temperature to the driver should they wish. Fantastic leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and controls for the comprehensive trip computer on the colour screen in between the dials. Also got rear parking sensors, automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, electric windows front and rear. So really top specification. So there we go. Thank you for watching. I hope that has been useful for you. Take care and bye for now.